So this is all of my Cryptid Con things. Got some paintings in here. They're stacked in there pretty tight. My earrings, larger paintings. My little goats that I made for Goatman Festival that did not sell. I'm gonna bring them just in case. Got some extra little sheepies. My mounted jackalope head. Got Frankenstein, Bigfoot, Abominable Snowman, all my regular felts, Mothman, Fresno Nightcrawler, Hopkinsville Goblin, and Flatwoods. Here are all of my prints, which I just printed off some extras because I've been selling some on my Etsy, which is fabulous. And then here's all my extra stuff. I decided to make some more opossums because they seem to be pretty popular. Here is my Baba Yaga house. I'm excited about this one. My Mothman ornaments, Krampus ornaments, and then yeah, some extra paintings that I just did. Trying to get some diversity in there, some different stuff. But yeah, this is my Cryptid Con haul. Yeah, hopefully it'll be good this year, and hopefully I'll see you there. I plan to record my booth setup and stuff, so we'll see how it goes.